Now, we can't get away from SharePoint. If you are a corporate professional, you will have worked with SharePoint, most likely as a user. And so what we've done is we've put together a very powerful course from the perspective of a user who is aiming to be a power user, if you will, and really get the most out of SharePoint for your department, for your teams. And so by implementing the best practices in SharePoint, it's just going to make life easier for everyone. So let's delve into the details of the course and to find out what exactly it is you're going to learn.
So first we're going to look at setting up your SharePoint site, and then we will get used to the environment and learn how to navigate our way around SharePoint. Then we're going to start looking at documents and how we can store documents. SharePoint originally was more of a document management application, and it slowly evolved into something a lot more than that. Then we're going to start looking at the apps. Now this is a huge part of what separates SharePoint from many of the other collaboration tools available. So we'll be looking at lists. Now lists are how we can organize and categorize various and disparate kinds of information. We'll be looking at the ways we can view that, and then we're going to delve into libraries, which are huge. Now libraries are of course the way that we store our content, our documents that are so valuable to us. Then we're going to be looking at site pages, so we'll look at how you can actually customize your very own SharePoint site within your organization, and we'll be looking at various web parts that are available that can help you do that and do a lot more interesting and some sophisticated or simple and automated things that will make you're running your SharePoint site very, very easy. Then we'll be looking at columns. Now columns are just simply ways that you can categorize your SharePoint sites further. And then we'll be delving a lot more into how you can manage your site. So we'll be looking at subsites, which help you organize your SharePoint site even further. And then we'll be looking at the all-important topic of permissions, which is all about how you can grant access to various people to different areas of your SharePoint site, all the way down to individual files and folders. And then we'll be looking at the site collections. And then we've got some bonus training in the form of Power Apps training. Now Power Apps is Microsoft's play into the world of self-serving automation tools. So one of the things you're going to learn is how you can make your own mobile app. We'll be looking at using Power Automate, which can automate pretty much anything that you need to within the Microsoft Tools suite. And then we'll be delving into one of the particular aspects of the automation, which is UI flow, where you can actually automate web-based applications. So that's going to be a really nice and powerful complement to the SharePoint training.
Now, if that's the material and curriculum that resonates with you, then I'm sure you're going to get a huge amount out of this course. And I can tell you that once you start implementing things, your work life will never quite be the same again, and your team is going to have a huge amount of respect and appreciation for the work that you do. So with that said, I look forward to seeing you inside the course. Thank you very much.